So we're back on top, and it appears that our turbo is just ever so slightly different to the original. That one down there, we're not focusing. Alright, so that brass, that one. That there is the last bolt that I need to tighten on the turbo. All of these are all done. But as you can see, it is right next to that feed pipe that we were having problems with before. So instead of, man, this camera is really struggling. So instead of being able to put a socket right on the front of it, I need to get a spanner, go all the way back around, up and underneath, and very slowly but carefully get it on there and tighten it like this, and then take it off, and yeah, just a little bit at a time, just because this is the easiest possible way this could have been designed. So we shall continue on struggling with that, and then slap a few other things back together and start her up and see what happens.